guys how to transfer your Viber to a new phone. If you are trying to upgrade your phone or change your phone, but you want your Viber chats to stay, I'm going to show you how to do that exactly. First, open your Viber and make sure it's up to date so it's updated. So once you have done that, what you can do is tap on these three dots that says more. It will take you to your profile, and from here you can tap on settings. And from settings, what you can do is go to account, and from here you can tap on Viber backup. And the only option for you to have your chats on your new phone is by backing up your chats. So you can back it up on a Google Drive. So you can choose an account here. Just tap on uh, the settings and choose an account. Once you have chosen your account, just tap on continue. And you can include photos and videos as well for your backup. So once you do that, you can tap on backup now. I currently do not have any message history, so there's nothing to back up. But if you have your chats there, all of those will be backed up. And after you have done that, once you open your new Viber, you can restore your chats from here and you'll be good to go. And that's how you can transfer your Viber to a new phone. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.